welcome back on top of the late night show. Easy. Welcome me with my applause. What they worry you? Thank you. Last time they feel like politician. Why you mice the clap now? Why they worry you, sir? When you want to say people, you all get bad mind for you to blow for this world. Don't worry, you go there, yeah. We go blow like this. Not be explosion shot. Ladies and gentlemen, I get my fellow brother in the comedy industry in the building, and sharply, I will kind of come inside now, and based on the Niger Delta thing, and so most of them don't worry, say, why we are every today, either politician or say go back to Niger Delta and every, but today, no worry. When you see the person when they come after me, make I just be like John the Baptist. Mona help me make work on my brother, my friend, comedian of the Federal Republic of Nigeria, Eboh Bomb. In the building. Easy. Hey. Oh, walk on. Hey. Come make them see you well.
This song that you just sung.
Oh.
It simply says,
walk on.
Thank you for all the things
Yeah,
that you have done for me.
Dance.
Now let's go to the dance floor as we praise him in the Niger Delta style. Oh yeah. Oh. Lade yo.
Hey. Yeah, Pablo. Hey. They go know, say forget. No better time they do pom. Sit down. Eboh, how far now?
My brother, we do.
Mom is smart, you know. You come like say we dey village meeting. Yes, so what did they happen to the boy? You know that kind of level. No. Just now your area name for that amount of less worry for the full compound. You understand? Eboh Bomb. Eboh, you don't find no.
Waiting now. The Lord is good.
Yeah? Eboh Bomb. We know that here now. Tell us, what did not happen too far? Because like I say, the ministry has changed to another level.
The ministry don't move. Now camp are there now.
Oh, now camp you there now?
Yeah, they camp now. They camp for Ibadan Expressway. Now one fool.
Even your eye not even show again, no?
The eye don't straight finish now. You know, they get the way God go bless you rich.
Yes.
You call resemble your rich self. The way God take rich.
Wow. Your rich self will come out.
Yeah.
That's testimony. You're going to share to us more of these kind of testimonies. Maybe they hear plenty. Because like I say, I want to testify too.
The testimony there. There are many now without me to. I don't need to tell you now. Like from the one way I would like to take start now for myself. So you know, say it get the way God go bless you from different angles.
Yes.
You're there short of voice.
So you don't even know where to even start for the whole gist like this.
And I be so old women where they won't give them if they call them for short, say me they call give
testimony.
So you know they hear they talk. Oh, they God do for my book. Oh, you know it's that one. Now Benny has speak so it's in my mouth.
I don't lie you.
The many.
But testimony you all plenty because seriously, we even leave that side say. But comedy now for you because I also say God only bless the whole works of boys in hand and plenty testimony they come out for inside. But so far, from when you first start for comedy, you can't enter plenty. You even go do open mic night self.
Yes.
Hustle for the whole level.
Yeah, you get the one who not the hustle.
My brother. And finally now, but what did they happen now? Because your people the way they watch like this now, maybe they even know more about Eboh Bomb.
Now the new project when Eboh Bomb get for hand now. Now one of my TV series, I just finished the season 1, which it will start like a couple of months from now.
Yes.
I say month. This month.
Couple
of weeks
from now.
Yes. So it will start.
Very
so,
soon.
Yeah,
What do you mean the title of the
they
series?
call that one Style Rhymes.
Style Rhymes.
Yeah.
Style. Now comedy things.
Now comedy thing as in the Style Rhymes. So now musician will be say you know they go studio, but everywhere the whole street for compa, you know they let people hear and they never go studio once.
They never go.
Yes.
So they worry the full compound.
They worry. Very soon you see now.
You fit just give us small teaser.
Small teaser. Even when they start, even come Lagos, it don't make much for people there for area. So as they come Lagos,
you don't blow.
Say one fish or two face, debanch everybody, whiskey, because one of your friend life for us say, in a normal woman, na neighbor. When they go come, if I will call a cookie, that the night landlord, they pursue that if Fred they come up for us. Because if Fred the whole landlord, almost 2 years he never pay. The landlord was automatic, but you should take pursue they take up for the house. So then from there, quite a street find a way, small tea there. 10,000 naira, you see one boy dressed like whiskey, they begin shout, Wheezy. People they follow, may go meet the boy, the people. The blocker say you go drop something, nothing just say we be artists, now we. They say go drop something, they collect the 10,000 always supposed to take go.
Yes.
Worry, they collect her from here. As Wheezy there, the collector. Now the Wheezy mama comes. So be that. Taju, wait, I don't tell you, me and your friends, not they near my car again. They throw a khaki, they run. I say, wait, not be whiskey be that. They say whiskey kini. Now Taju be that. They do see people say now whiskey. Now so start as money to go.
So that means we look forward to that one anytime soon now. But that year, no say. Even when they do the comedy on top stage most time, you enter with some kind different buff up.
Different swag.
Wear skirt.
This
so that you wear skirt enter stage. Yeah. So that you don't enter say some kind trouser where you just come carry another kind pattern.
Only history now never be enter stage. This ministry.
So you decide say you want to use that kind of pattern till the launch stage.
Different pattern. Like the first time when I enter stage with my
full regalia like this.
Oh, Onorogu.
Hey.
I say, hey, Onorogu. I say, Fredo. Our market.
So this one now, you decide you want to enter with different. Say,
different.
What till carry your mind go that area?
What hold my attention be say Eboh bomb. Now that different kind of comedian, not be just. I say, sir, we be say I pick from every other people.
Okay.
To make myself, yes.
Okay.
I say, sir. So now make I feel they look me, you say, this guy, they describe like Gandoki. Is slow like basket mat. The way the word they say they one shot, they talk like I go die. Then they do this one like Alibaba. So now make us so everybody now call they confused. So make it confusing. They continue. Because I cause there with this one. I cause there with that guy. Man, just they confuse them. They go.
But seriously, did you ever see Eboh with sketch for the first time for stage? Even with comedians, because they had to please comedians. Now we be our own judge, our own crucifixion, everything we. Comedian go climb stage if you not even try for a joke. And now we say, forget, you don't die. We people feel they laugh, but they're like, it's not funny. You understand? You don't even consider about your climb stage, only your weird skirt. But you say, what happened? You know, it matter not red. You got to find way to distinguish yourself for the industry.
If you're not crazy for this ministry.
Oh, no. Not be waiting Akporo do. Akporo they talk small. When you find out, say, my brother, nothing.
When he crazy.
Oh. When Akporo crazy, he rope caught.
When he caught you.
Oh, God. This called that. Don't be endorsement, don't follow us. My brother, for this industry, we crazy. No normal again. So they look forward to other one from you, Eboh bomb. But so far, you know, sharply, so far, how the industry don't be for you?
The industry now, let's be frank to ourselves. This industry now, they enjoy well. Now, what I say, they enjoy the industry, they enjoy it so many ways.
Okay.
I say, sir, not only the Osusu part of it. I say, sir, as this industry, especially this our comedy industry, yes. It is very, very wide, very open. So it's better. You know one thing in time, use and take come out. I say, sir, like it's just very And now me go say, we Nigeria embrace the skit part of comedy. I say, sir, if now before everybody just say as a comedy, I just only stand up comedy.
Yes.
So now we don't embrace the skit part of it.
Yes.
And una they do one for it.
They present.
Exactly. So make with the. as we make our brain open more.
Exactly.
The sleeping kind of comedy,
Very
the dancing kind of comedy, yes, everything about comedy. Yeah.
And music comedy is every day.
Yeah.
When you do music and comedy and every.
Yes,
you get one way you been do for Nigeria national anthem. I be waiting you sing.
Okay, our worry national anthem.
To just finish your whole interview now. Now what you go sing for us now before we go wrap up for your own gist.
Okay.
Because anytime you call Eboh that year, in Colatu. Now national anthem they take worry way take the so yeah, you go knock out for us.
Okay. Worry national anthem. We say now make her for worry. Let's be human. Everybody for worry. Majority as in 95%. If we want to say look, if we just say look.
Okay.
We want to say laugh, if we just say laugh.
Laugh.
For the rush they talk now. What we do, they know say that they laugh us. So call the package out. You say want to call look, we they wash ourselves.
Okay.
So now if they do birthday for, we know they call our birthday, say na birthday.
Birthday, true.
Yeah, no ne. What me birthday no ne. So birthday. So you, if na birthday there, yeah, happy birthday. Oh, walk. Yeah, happy birthday. Happy birthday, yo.
Yeah, happy birthday.
Alright, yeah, compassion, no, Nigeria, oh, Nigeria's Conobio. To serve a father, now we never slept.
Very, very innovative. Eboh Bomb, thank you very much. You joined us on top of the show today. But how they will take reach you? Social media, Twitter, Instagram, or Facebook?
All of them. If you want to reach me now, just Eboh Bomb. If you want to reach me for Facebook, just enter Eboh Bomb. E-B-O-H.
Okay.
E-B-O-H. Then space, then bomb. You just see on my DC there. Therefore, for Twitter now, at I am Eboh Bomb, but that's called.
Okay.
You put her there.
Okay.
Then,
in between the bomb, the bomb.
Yeah.
Now you underscore the.
No. At underscore.
Underscore.
Yes.
Okay.
I'm Eboh Bomb.
I'm Eboh Bomb. Okay.
So,
all right. Eboh Bomb, thank you one more time. And that God, they carry, they go, we carry, they go
Amen.
for the industry. So easy beat. We go take music and dance now, ends the whole thing. Eboh Bomb will come front here now. Now groove now. Even big Joe the building go see for us, you know.
Big Tony.
Big Tony.
Big Tony,
go fall in, one of them go groove. So easy. You done ready?